Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're talking about a tool that promises to turn your business data into a serious competitive advantage. And here's the kicker. You don't need a whole team of PhDs to make it work.
So yeah, we're diving into this really powerful open source tool from Amazon called AutoGluon. We're going to cover, what business problems it actually solves, how it makes AI so much simpler, what the real-world economic impact looks like, the kind of magic idea that makes it so powerful, and of course, what this new edge could mean for you and your business.
All right, so let's get right into it. To really get why AutoGluon is such a big deal, we first need to talk about a huge roadblock that a lot of businesses hit when they try to get into AI.
I mean, think about it. You know you're sitting on a mountain of valuable data, but actually turning that data into predictions that make you money, forecasting sales, figuring out who your best customers are, that can feel like you're staring at Mount Everest with just a pair of sneakers. It feels impossible.
Yeah, the traditional way of doing this, building a custom machine learning model, it's just incredibly expensive, it's so slow, and it requires a team of these super specialized, hard-to-find data scientists. So you put all that together, the cost, the time, the sheer complexity, and you've got this massive barrier that basically keeps most businesses on the sidelines, just watching.
But what if you could just bypass all of that? What if there was a different way? Well, that's exactly where AutoGluon comes in. It's all about building a new, much easier path forward.
This whole idea is part of something called automated machine learning, or AutoML for short. And you can just think of it like this. The entire goal is to automate all those tedious, super complex, and time-consuming steps of building an AI model. Why? So you can get to the results way faster.
And one of the leading tools in this whole space is AutoGluon. Its entire purpose, its reason for being, is to give you top-of-the-line, best-in-class predictive accuracy, but with the simplicity that's almost hard to believe. It's really designed to, democratize AI for everyone.
And look at this. You seriously don't need to be a coder to see what's going on here. This is the entire philosophy of AutoGluon captured in just 3 lines of code. It hides all this massive complexity behind the scenes and just lets you train a world-class model and get predictions with a super simple, intuitive command. It's incredible. So, how in the world does it do this so well? Well, instead of wasting a ton of time and resources hunting for that one single perfect supermodel, AutoGluon does something completely different. It has this philosophy that if you combine the strengths of many pretty good models, you get a final result that's way better and more reliable. It's teamwork over trying to find one single superstar. Okay, so that's the cool idea behind it, but this is the important part. That powerful idea is what translates directly into real, tangible business value. This isn't just some neat tech trick for data scientists, it's a tool that's built to drive profit.
And here's the proof, right here in black and white. The economic potential is just huge. Studies have shown that in areas like, say, accounts payable automation, using this kind of predictive modeling can deliver a return on investment of 111%. And get this, the payback period is less than 6 months.
And that impact? It ripples across the entire business. You can slash your model development time by over 90%. Think about logistics. You could reduce your excess inventory by up to 40%, or cut unplanned warehouse downtime in half. We're not talking about small tweaks here. These are major operational wins.
Okay, let's make this even more real. Imagine you run an e-commerce site. AutoGluon can help you predict which visitors are actually going to buy something. Now, if you know that a correct prediction adds, say, $45 to your bottom line, but a wrong one costs you $5 in wasted ad spend, well, now you can build marketing campaigns that are ridiculously efficient and profitable.
Or how about financial services? It's all about prioritizing your sales team's effort, right? If a new loan customer is worth $1,200, you definitely don't want your team wasting their time on leads that are never going to convert. AutoGluon can pinpoint the highest potential leads, so you can maximize the return on every single dollar you spend to get them.
So that's the what, but how? How does AutoGluon actually pull this off? How does it get these incredible state-of-the-art results with what seems like almost no effort from you?
Well, the secret isn't some single magic algorithm. It's a technique called ensembling. And honestly, the easiest way to think about it is like creating a committee of diverse experts. Instead of just trusting one person's opinion, you get insights from all of them and use that to make a final decision that's way more reliable.
It basically works in 3 key steps. First, it trains a whole bunch of different models, things like neural networks, which kind of mimic the human brain, and boosted trees, which are like superpowered flowcharts. Each one has its own unique strengths.
Second, it makes all of those models stronger and more stable using a process called bagging. You can think of it like pulling them over and over again. And then for the final punch, it stacks them, feeding the predictions from one layer of models into the next. It's this stacking that creates an incredibly powerful final result.
And you can see the results right here. Look at all those individual models listed on the left. They're all good. But the one at the very top, that weighted ensemble, it consistently crushes every single one of them. It's really the ultimate proof that the team is way stronger than any individual player.
Okay, so let's bring this all home. What does all this mean for your business? What happens when you put a tool like this to work?
Well, for starters, you get industry-leading accuracy that's proven to be faster and just more robust than other solutions out there. I mean, check this out. In some benchmarks, a model that you train for just 5 minutes with AutoGluon can actually outperform other systems that ran for a full hour. That is a massive, massive leap in efficiency.
And just how good is this performance really? Well, in 2 super competitive Kaggle data science competitions, AutoGluon's automated approach beat 99% of the human data scientists who entered. Let that sink in. It's basically like having one of the world's best data scientists on your team, ready to go at a moment's notice.
So by knocking down those traditional barriers, cost, time, and complexity, AutoGluon really does democratize access to high-performance AI. It empowers you, right now, to turn the data you already have into your next big competitive advantage. Which really just leaves one final question for you to think about.